Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the costs. What would it cost you here in Canada to own a vehicle? And what are the monthly expenses? And let's get into all these over here that I'm gonna list in a bit. In order to do this video, I picked the 2025 Toyota Camry, which is priced around just over 40,000 Canadian. And I got this information from Toyota.ca, which is right here. Okay, so in order to start off this expense list, I picked a 500 a month number, which I got from here, Toyota.ca, and this is for lease. So 500 a month would be if you want to lease a brand new, or if you want to finance the used one. So whichever one you pick out of these two, you're gonna wind up with the 500 number, which is the one that we're using right now. Okay, so let's get down to the next one, which is the insurance. So in order to own a car and drive it, legally, you need to have insurance. And this is gonna depend whether you live in the city, whether you live in the country. So just for this scenario here, I picked 200 a month. However, if you're in the city, it could be more. If you're in the country, it could be less. And it also depends if you're a new driver, whether or not. But for now, we're gonna stick with this number, which is right here, 200 Canadian. Okay, so in order to drive this car on a daily basis, we need to put some gas in there, obviously. So whether you're in the country or the city, you're gonna burn less gas if you're in the country, more gas if you're in the city. But let's just to meet in the middle, I put $200 a month just for the gas. Just for the reference over there, I'm gonna put 200. Now the next one over here, cars get dirty and whatnot. We have car washes. Okay, so on average, you're gonna pay a weekly 20 Canadian a week. A week. So that's gonna cost you about $80 a month. 4 multiplied by 20 is very simple. We get to 80 Canadian a month for the car washes. Now cars need detailing once in a year and whatnot. They get dirty, and I also, for my vehicle, I love to do the rust proof. A lot of Japanese brands are gonna want you to pay for the maintenance. So you're gonna have to pay from your own pocket for the maintenance, which is like oil changes, filters and whatnot. And along with this over here, that's gonna bring you up to the number, which is 50 Canadian a month right here. So I left 50 Canadian or $600 a year. So let's leave it as 50 Canadian a month for this. And if we go further down, we are going to come to a number, which is this, 1,030 Canadian dollars for all this. So this is what the number I get in order when you add up all these. Now, if you go with the slightly cheaper car, this is gonna be a little bit less. If you go with the slightly pricier car, this is gonna be maybe 12, 13. But I kind of rounded to this number over here because I think this is fair for what I pay, and a lot of you could be paying more or less. So write down in the comments, what do you spend on the new car? Is this too much? Is this realistic? A lot of you are gonna be living in different parts of the city or country, and you're gonna have different numbers. But write me down in the comments, what do you think about this number? Is this too high, or is this too little? That's pretty much that. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.